Good morning, friends and family. Welcome to another video. Missy and I are still here in Mazatlan, Mexico. It is bright and early on a beautiful sunny day, and today I will be headed out to fish for dorado or mahi mahi, and possibly some silver swordfish, and whatever else the ocean offers today. I might have a new buddy down here, Jim McGinnis. He's got a boat, and he takes some friends out fishing about once a week, once every 10 days, or actually whenever he can. He's a great guy. I just met him yesterday at the boat, and Missy and I spoke to him for a while and saw the boat, and it looks like it's going to be a good time. So we're going about 25 miles offshore to fish for dorado, and that's what we're doing today. So stay tuned, and it should be a hell of a ride. So, oh, that's Mike. See you in a little bit. Right. Okay, so this is after we have hooked that marlin. Randy happened to be the one that grabbed the pole, and that is a 120-pound marlin on his line, and it's quite the struggle, as you can see. Yeah, I wish I would have gotten the fish jumping and things like that on there, but We were all kind of doing stuff and reeling lines in and all that kind of thing. But this is him.
What white tube? Right in the very corner. Very corner. Very corner. Good job, guys. Good job. That's a monster. That is a monster. Wow. Good job, Randy. Yeah, you didn't pull a ball. I'm impressed.
Stay there, Randy. When they move their cameras, I'll get working with yours.
Okay. It took me like half a dozen. Okay.
Well, we didn't get stuck.
Okay.
All right, time to fillet this beast up.
Where's your camera mode?
Randy made it down. I'm on video, Randy, so
Two thumbs up. Great day of fishing.
heck yeah, heck yeah. I'm not going to go into too much detail and show a whole bunch of this for those sensitive eyes, but I'll tell you, this is just a monster, probably 120 pounds, and everyone's going home with some fish today. So it doesn't even, it's wider than the width of the boat, and yeah, just an amazing catch today. All right, this is the fillets that we've got up. This is the other half. We've already taken one half off. I would imagine we're getting probably, what do you think, 60 to 80 pounds of meat off this fish. Just unbelievable.
We're getting 200 pounds off a 150 pound fish.
There's going to be some steaks eaten tonight.
You should have seen that 600 pound fish. It was amazing.
Boat's all cleaned up and looking good.
Randy, where's the name? I'm looking.
Got Paul and Randy. Randy's the one that caught the fish.
No, I have to believe it.
Everything is looking good. We're about ready to get out of here. It's been a hell of a day. There you go. Missy. Gracias. Hi, Diego. Hi, buddy.
All right, everybody. We are back home. We've had a little bit of time to unpack that adventure, and wow, what an amazing experience and trip and everything like that. Just want to throw a huge shout out to Jim, the owner of the boat, and also the other guys that were on the boat, Pat and Paul and Randy. We all just had an amazing time. It was a great day out there. We ended up being about, I think, 10 to 15 miles maybe offshore. The day started off a little slow, and then we missed a Dorado, and kept on going, and there was a little bit more of a lull, and then all hell broke loose. we hooked that marlin. It was a blue marlin, we believe. A little bit of debate going on there, because a striped marlin and a blue marlin sometimes can be kind of similar, but we do believe it was a blue marlin because it was just so big. 120 pounds. We ended up getting probably, I don't know, 80 pounds of meat off of that on the 2 fillets. I brought home probably 15 to 20 pounds of fresh marlin, which we cut up into steaks and threw on the grill last night, and it was just a great time, great experience. I learned so much about that kind of fishing, and it was just really great to be out on the boat and having a good time like that. We at one point we did have we had 2 marlin on at one time, one of which I was fighting. Fought it for about 5 minutes. It jumped and threw the hook and got away, and as did the other one. But it was, to feel the power of that fish was, by far the largest fish I've ever had on the end of a line. It was just amazing. So again, a shout out to those guys, and especially Jim, the owner of the boat, who invites people onto his boat and takes them out fishing, and we all pitch in, and catching a fish of that size, it's a team effort, and so Randy did the muscle, but we all pitched in, and it'd be very difficult to do something like that on your own. So, but just again, thanks guys. It was a really good time. So, okay, so Missy and I are here in Mazatlan for one more week, and then we pack up and head south to the little surf town, Lo de Marcos, and we'll get a video on that. And so stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and that kind of stuff. And if you're interested, and we're just going to keep on making videos because we're having fun. We're having a really good time. The adventure continues. It's awesome. Stay tuned.